This is the panel intro panel. We are going to conduct your interview. It is known as the mock interview. We can say in other words, it is the interview. It is a trail interview actually before you are going for the real interviews. So this panel is, we are 3 members including this panel. Me, Mr. Sajad Hussain, with me is Mr. Ishfaq Ahmad Shah, and with us is Mr. Mashuk. So welcome here today's interview panel. This is the opportunity which you are given to introduce yourself in front of the board, and you will be asked the different questions here in this interview panel. And the first candidate that we are going to call Saqib Majid. Saqib Majid, please.
Myself, Saqib Majid. I am from Chandigarh. My father's name is Abdul Majid Khan, and he is teacher.
Board exams have been announced, sir, and you are topper in board exams, 10th board exams.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you have chosen auto subjective? Because you have got 400+ marks.
अगर ये लगता है कि अगर आपने बोर्ड एग्जाम में टॉप किया, अगर लोग ये कहते हैं अगर आपने बोर्ड एग्जाम में टॉप किया तो आप सिर्फ मेडिकल ही पकड़ो, क्योंकि जो बच्चे टॉप करते हैं वो मेडिकल ही पकड़ेंगे। लेकिन मेरा ये मानना नहीं है सर, क्योंकि अगर आप बोर्ड क्लास में टॉप करोगे तो उसका फिर आपकी चॉइस है आप किस चीज़ में जाना चाहते हो। अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है कि आप आर्ट्स सब्जेक्ट में जाओ तो आप उसमें जा सकते हो।
So what is the role of teacher? As a teacher, how can I contribute in your goal? How can I contribute? What is your opinion regarding this?
ये कि अगर एक इंसान की ज़िंदगी में अगर टीचर नहीं होगा तो मुझे लगता है वो उसको हम इंसान नहीं कह सकते, क्योंकि टीचर एक ऐसा इंसान है जो एक बच्चे को आसमान ज़मीन से लेकर आसमान तक ले जाता है।
Difference between a medical subject and artist subject. You have to wait for 3 years to become an IAS officer. Why not this that to choose the medical and pass the medical after 12th? You can do the needs as well.
आर्ट्स एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट अगर आप उसमें पढ़ते जाओगे, अगर आप जितना भी पढ़ोगे आपकी मतलब नॉलेज उतनी बढ़ती जाएगी, और अगर आपने उसमें अपना आला मुकाम हासिल किया तो आप सबसे बेहतर हो सकते।
हम जुवेनाइल से हमारे अगर सज़ा भी होगी 3 साल की होगी, उनके लिए अलग जुवेनाइल कोर्ट्स होते हैं, जुवेनाइल होम्स होते हैं, उनको आप कैसे रोकोगे इससे?
एक नेशन की स्ट्रेंथ होती है उसके टीनेजर्स। अगर टीनेजर्स अच्छी तरह अगर उसमें मुंतकिल हो गए, ड्रग्स में मुंतकिल हो गए, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि अगर वो एक बार चले गए उसमें, उसके बाद वो वापस नहीं निकल सकते ऐसे।
Your favorite subject is political science. You want to serve the nation as an IAS officer. Can you tell me who is the father of political science?
सर फादर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस जो है वो एरिस्टोटल है।
From my side, name the 2 districts which surround our district, Kupwara.
सर 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं, एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट बांडीपोरा एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट बारामूला।
Good, both.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Irfan Ashraf and I am from Chandigarh. My father's name is Mohammad Ashraf Dar and my mother's name is Rukhsana Begum.
Okay. You are studying in Army Middle School, Chandigarh,
Yes, sir.
in class 12.
12.
And okay, 12th medical.
Yes.
Okay. Which one is your favorite?
Sir, my favorite subject is biology.
Biology.
That's why I have chosen the medical.
In biology, actually, there are 2 branches, zoology and botany.
Yes, sir, zoology and
If
botany.
you have to decide which one is your favorite from biology.
Zoology.
Zoology. You want to, what do you want to become in your future?
Sir, I want to become a successful doctor.
Successful.
Zoology is study of dash.
Basically, I want to become a cardiologist.
Audiologist.
Why you
What
have
is the
chosen
main
this
function of heart in human body?
Sir, to pump the blood.
Okay. To pump the blood.
अच्छा, heart is an involuntary organ, true or false?
Sir, yes, heart is an involuntary.
What is contraction and what is relaxation?
Contraction is systolic pressure
Uh-huh.
and relaxation is
Whether
diastolic.
you want to say that contraction is right from top to bottom or bottom to top? Can you elaborate it?
It is not
From top.
Where from pressure starts?
From top, from bottom to top. सर जब हार्ट कंट्रैक्ट होता है तो जब हार्ट के वेंट्रिकल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं, जो प्रेशर जो जिस प्रेशर से ब्लड मतलब बाहर जाता है उस प्रेशर को हम सिस्टोलिक कहते हैं।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sadia Siraj Khan. I live in Devarlola. My father's name is Siraj Ahmad Khan. He is a businessman.
You want to become
You want to become a
Have you
successful
chosen a
doctor?
medical subject? In which class? You are in 12 with medical subject. Which is your favorite subject? Biology. Which doctor you want to become?
Cardiologist.
In the heart separates auricles and ventricles. Is present in the heart, which is a shock absorber.
Outside, heart के बाहर एक membrane होता है, that's called pericardial membrane. There is a fluid present between.
Fluid.
which acts as a shock absorbent, which prevents the heart from friction.
Very good.
Very good.
Very nice. Sir,
What is the location of heart?
location of thought?
Left side of kidney. Basically, it is tilted.
What is the location of heart
Location.
in human body?
Location of the
My name is Kifayat Khan. I'm from Jawad. My father's name is Abdul Ghani Khan. He's a farmer. And
What is the job of neurologist?
ये brain के से इसमें
क्यों बनना चाहती हैं ब्रेन का?
कोई रीजन नहीं, कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट क्यों नहीं, दिल का डॉक्टर क्यों नहीं बनना चाहते?
क्योंकि brain
Ophthalmologist क्यों?
हाँ, ब्रेन
brain जैसे इसमें जैसे अभी कहा कि ड्रग एडिक्शन से इसमें ड्रग एडिक्शन में ब्रेन को बहुत इफेक्ट होता है इसलिए और गेमिंग वगैरह इनसे ब्रेन को बहुत इफेक्ट है.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. My name is Mir Rashid Khan. My father's name is Uddar Rashid. My mother's name is Farida Begum. I am from Chandigarh, Lulab. I studied in Army Rural School, Chandigarh, Lulab. I want to become a doctor.
You choose the medical subject. You are in 11th medical. Okay, which is your favorite subject? Biology. Okay.
थर्ड है. क्या कौन सा डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं आप?
Cardiologist.
कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट. कितना चैम्बर होते हैं हार्ट? कितने चैम्बर?
4 chambers.
नाम बता सकते हैं?
There are 2 upper chambers called atrium and lower chambers called ventricle.
सबसे
I am Babur Gul. My father's name is Ghulam Nabi Bhat and my mother's name is Afiza Begum. And my father's occupation is ex-headmaster and I am from Lalpura, Lulab and I am reading in Army Rural School, Chandigarh, Lulab.
दिन के लिए टीचर बनाया जाए तो कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाओगे आप चंडीगढ़ में?
Mathematics.
मैथमेटिक्स.
अच्छा, ये जीरो का कंसेप्ट किसने दिया था? मैथमेटिशियन जीरो. आर्या
But
आर्यभट्ट. वो कौन?
आर्यभट्ट.
वो कौन?
What's the difference between me and polythene?
Polythene और हमारे में क्या difference?
sir, we are degradable but polythene are non-biodegradable.
Good.
Very good, very
बहुत
nice.
अच्छा.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Go to the board.
Hello everyone, my name is Uzma Farooq. I'm from Chandigarh, Lulab. My father's name is Fakam Khan. My mother's name is Salima Begum. My aim is to become a doctor.
What is anemia?
Anemia.
Anemia is a disease.
Really, I'm very thankful to my team who are here to take mock interview of all the students, and the responses of the students were completely highly exciting and highly. I can say that it was completely highly influential as well. So I'm very once again thank you very much, and I will go through the sir, please note of things.
Thank you very much, students. All the students did tremendous job. They have done their best while answering certain questions from the panel. So already the panel there was actually Tanveer sir was there, Sajad Advocate, Ishfaq Ahmad Shah and Mashuk sir. They were the panelists. They were nominated by the principal man. So this was really a good experience both for the students as well as teachers. Thank you.
I am very much thankful to the board members and the candidates who are here. Firstly, this is just an opportunity for you all that you are presenting here before the panel, and this is an opportunity which you are given, a polished opportunity which you are given so that you are able to answer the different questions. The answering these questions at this level will take you at the higher levels. I am very much thankful to you again and again, inshallah Rahman. When we meet again, we will be just asking you this different questions. I hope that you will prepare yourself for answering all those questions. Thank you very much.
First, I will thank all the students that you have participated in this mock interview. Next, I hope that you will perform good in the next round. You will be well prepared and with great enthusiasm. You will be well prepared and do your best.
Thank you.